welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to talk about Apple's brand new iPhone SE. I think it's 2. I have to take a look at that. But they've announced their brand new SE, which is really exciting. And there's 4.7 inch size, so it's I think almost the same size as the previous iPhone. It's not the same boxy design that the old SE had. It's a more curved design that the newer iPhones have. It has Touch ID, which is a big thing for a lot of people. Water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. That's pretty cool. A13 chip, so it's pretty fast, and it's a pretty good chip for a lot of things. The camera, it's still a single camera lens, so it's not like the dual or triple cameras you have on the newer iPhones, but it's the single camera lens. It's way more affordable. It's a single camera lens, and it's capable of taking 4K video, but we know that the iPhone 6s was even able to take 4K video. Don't quote me on that, but just pretend like I know. Anyway, it can do portrait mode, which I thought was pretty interesting. They're doing some, I think with the iPhone XR, they had portrait bokeh mode. So they basically used artificial intelligence to use a single camera instead of 2 cameras to basically simulate portrait mode. And I think I'm going to do another video on the iPhone SE 2, but this is just my reaction for now. Quickly threw it together, but I think it looks like a pretty good phone, and based on more information that we got from Apple from the recording date, they released the phone maybe an hour before this recording date, so it's pretty not that long ago, but I thought it was pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Check out my website in the description below. If you have any ideas for future videos or unboxing or reviews you want, go into the type from the description. You can type it all in, and I'll happily contact you, and I'll happily use your idea. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and